Let's run through the steps to start an LLC in Michigan so you can create an LLC on your own. But if you find it overwhelming, I'll show you later on in the video how in just a few minutes you can give all of your information to a formation service and they'll create the LLC for you. Step 1, name your LLC. When choosing a name for your LLC, keep in mind the following rules. The LLC name must end with LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company, all written out. Avoid names that might suggest your business is something it's not, like a government agency, bank, or insurance company. Your name shall not contain words like corporation, incorporated, or the abbreviations Corp or Inc. Also, do not use prohibited words or restricted words by any other statute of the state. For a complete list of naming rules, I'll link to this page from the state down below. Most importantly though, make sure the name is unique. To make sure there's not a business in Michigan already using this name, search for your business name on this page, link below. For example, you probably have difficulties naming your new coffee business Starbucks. Step 2, select a registered agent. This is a person or business that will receive important legal documents and notices from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. This address will be listed publicly, so I wouldn't recommend being your own registered agent and using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and it can't be a P.O. box. If you want to keep your address private, or if you don't want to have to be at a particular address Monday to Friday during business hours, we recommend you hire a registered agent. On this channel, we've reviewed multiple registered agent services, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year, but you can get the first year for free if you work with them to form your LLC, which costs $39 on top of the state fee. You'll find a link to Northwest's website in the description below. Step 3, submit articles of organization to the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, LARA. This document will include the business name, business purpose, effective date, duration, registered agent name and address, the organizer, submitter's name, contact information, and signature, as well as any additional provisions you'd like to submit. This document can be submitted online, by mail, or in person. Links to file online or to download the PDF version to mail in or deliver in person can be found in the description below. When submitting your articles of organization, you'll also need to pay a fee of $50. Standard processing time is approximately 2 weeks, but if you want your LLC created faster, you can pay from an additional $50 for 24-hour processing up to $1,000 for 1-hour same-day processing. Step 4, obtain an employer identification number, EIN. This may also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and you won't have any employees, you could use your social security number instead of an EIN, but in most cases, it's better to have one. You may need one for banking, taxes, and for hiring employees. The application process is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes on the IRS's website. We have a video that'll walk you through how to get one, link down below. Step 5, create an operating agreement. This document will state how your LLC will be managed. Michigan law doesn't require you to have one, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of your LLC. Banks may also ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement. But in many cases, especially if it's just you can use one of Northwest Registered Agent's free operating agreement templates from this page, linked down below. Step 6, open a business bank account. This will allow you to better keep your personal assets and business assets completely separate. It will allow you to more easily manage your finances and will maintain the liability protection your LLC provides. We have this video that you'll find down below that'll walk you through how to open your business bank account. Step 7, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses information of the primary owners of the LLC. In 2024, you have 90 days after forming your LLC to submit this report. In 2025 and beyond, it must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. To keep your LLC in good standing with the state, step number 8, file an annual statement and pay $25 fee to the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs no later than February 15th each year. If your LLC is created after September 30th, you can skip the first February 15th filing and submit your first annual statement the following year. For example, if you create your LLC in November 2024, you'll skip February 2025 and file your first annual statement by February 15th, 2026. A pre-printed copy will be sent to your registered office 90 days before the due date. You can file your annual statement online or submit a paper copy by mail or in person. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business, and all these steps could sound overwhelming. The Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own, as I just described, or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend working with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly. It'll only take a handful of minutes. Our favorite registered agent and formation service is Northwest Registered Agent. As I mentioned earlier, they'll help you form your LLC for $39 on top of the fee paid to the state. You'll also get their registered agent service for free for the first year and a free operating agreement template, something other formation services charge around $90 or $100 for. Now I wanted to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes you can create your LLC with Northwest. If you use their affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. By using the link in the description, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, it's a great way to support the channel. Click Get Started. Choose the type of business you'd like to start. We're forming an LLC, which has already been selected. Scroll down to select Michigan as the state to form your LLC. In the state of Michigan, standard LLC processing time is 14 days and costs $50. If you'd like it processed faster, you can update that here. Then down below, select if you'd like to have Northwest file your beneficial ownership information report for an additional $25. Click Continue. Enter the name of your LLC. If you have an attorney and you'd like them to receive a copy of lawsuits and other legal notices, select Yes and enter their email. Otherwise, leave it as No. Write your business purpose, what your business will do. I'll write Business Strategy Consulting. Select which physical address and mailing address you'd like to record with the state. I'll use our registered agent's address for both. Click Continue. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the members or owners manage the business, or will you elect a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the business for you? If at any point you have questions, you can click the question icon to learn more. Also, if you continue to have any questions or need assistance, you'll see their phone number listed here, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. Here I'll enter my name as the LLC member and use the registered agent's address as the address to record with the state. If you have additional LLC members, click Add Member, enter their information, and when you're done, click Continue. Enter your contact information on this screen: name, phone number, and mailing address. Then enter your email and create a password to set up your Northwest account. Here you can get a 90-day trial for their business identity package. This is a good point to mention. We have a training that'll walk you through everything you need to start your business, like a domain, logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. If you'd like access to this free training, sign up using the link in the description below. I'll turn off the free trial, and I won't add any of the options on this page. One of the things I really like about Northwest is that you can add anything you'd like individually. You aren't forced into purchasing an expensive package that includes a lot of things you don't need or want just to get the one thing you do want. Here you can individually add a tax ID, S-Corp election with the IRS, mail services, or trademark service. A few things I would consider: the tax ID. Northwest will get your EIN for you for $50 if you have a Social Security number. If you want to do it on your own, again, the video in the description will show you how, but if you don't want to deal with the hassle and you're fine paying an extra $50, you can add that here. S-Corp election. If you're just starting a business, you probably don't need this now, but one of the advantages of having an LLC is that later on you can decide to have your LLC taxed as an S-Corp. This can help you save on taxes, but normally it doesn't make sense until after your business is earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit annually. You'll find a video about S-Corps in the description below. Another thing you may want is a virtual office or mail forwarding. Unfortunately, Northwest doesn't offer this service in Michigan. If you need a virtual mailbox, down below you'll find a link to Anytime Mailbox, a popular virtual mailbox service with multiple locations in Michigan. Then the last step is to enter your payment information and click on Done. In approximately 2 weeks, you'll have your new LLC. If you'd like to have Northwest help creating your LLC and you want to support our channel, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description below when you go to form your LLC. After your LLC has been created, the next thing you'll want is a business bank account. Learn how to open that in the video up above, or in the video below, learn the dozen things you'll need when starting a new business. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.